From the home page, first go to the Test Units page to make sure your OX1 or FIT 500 is paired. To do so, select the hamburger menu and tap on Test Units. A paired unit will appear in a blue font and the Bluetooth symbol will be shown in black. Once paired, navigate to the Jobs page via the hamburger menu. Tap on the plus icon to add a new job. Define a job name and select the appropriate test type, depending on your handheld unit. OLX for the OX1 or FIP for the FIT 500. You can also select another test type, such as IOLM or OTDR, if you wish to execute the tests on your FTB or Max tester instead. Once done, tap on plus add to create a new series of test points. Define the first and last value. The app will warn you if there are invalid entries. You can also tap View Guide for additional information and best practices on how to define test points. A preview of the series will appear at the bottom of the screen. Click Add and then Done to complete the job creation. Your new job will appear at the top of the list. Tap on the job to navigate to the Jobs Details page. Tap on the three-dot menu and select Send to Test Unit. A notification will inform you when the job is successfully sent. On your OX1, tap the hamburger menu and select Active Job. Select the job you just sent and go back to the main screen. You can now start testing. As you execute each test, the results will be automatically synced on the mobile app. Once all tests are completed, you can also use the mobile app to review your test result by tapping on the corresponding test point. Optionally, you can also add a photo or a comment or view existing attachments via the three-dot menu.